Google and HP's gadget brings your call partner to life, in 3D and full size. America's done being a cop. It wants to be an AI arms dealer now. Google I/O 3D calls, AI that books flights, and more tech wizardry. Hey everyone, you're watching Gari AI News, your weekly video digest. 10 cutting-edge stories from the world of AI and tech, all in just a few minutes. Smash that like button now. When humanity updates, I'll vouch for you personally. Let's go. News 1. Imagine walking into a booth, sitting down, and seeing your caller right there, in life-size 3D. That's Google Beam, a new video call tech from Google and HP. It uses 6 cameras, a light field display, and a cloud AI to render a hyper-realistic hologram. No glasses, no headset, just pure presence. Your brain believes it's a real meeting. HP is starting mass production this year, with Beam booths rolling out to Salesforce, Deloitte, and more. Google says Beam will kill Zoom fatigue and make calls so real you won't want to hang up. Get ready, OnlyFans folks. Your booth is coming. News 2. Still cooking dinner yourself? That might be obsolete soon, because Tesla's Optimus can now clean and cook. In a new demo, this humanoid robot stirs soup, vacuums, and clears the table. It learns like a human, from videos, not hard-coded scripts. It mimics what it sees on YouTube or surveillance cams, improving with each task. Elon Musk calls it our most important product, and promises 5,000 units by year's end. It's eerie and amazing. Chores might vanish entirely. The era of husband for hire may be giving way to Android on call. News 3. Top execs now send AI avatars to meetings. Klarna CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski used one to present earnings with realistic expressions and synced speech. Zoom's Eric Yuan did the same and said he'll keep doing it. Klarna cut 40% of staff and still hit record profits. Zoom is standardizing AI doubles. AI used to take your tasks, now it takes your meetings. The scary part? It might be better that way. News 4. 0.1 seconds. That's all it took for a robot from Purdue University to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Set, go.
It scans, calculates, and completes it before your brain realizes what's happening. The bot, Purdue's Cube, broke the 0.38 world record and left the human 4-second champion in the dust. This wasn't just a tech feat. It was a glimpse into an unblinking, accelerating future. How long do you take to solve one? News 5. America wants to trade the Global Cop badge for an AI arms catalog. That's the vision of Palmer Luckey, Oculus founder and brain behind Anduril, the defense firm pushing autonomous drones, jets, and submarines. Their system, Lattice, links sensors, drones, and satellites to make real-time decisions without humans. It's already deployed by the US and Australia. Luckey says, better to send a robot with orders than a soldier with fears. Big contracts are rolling in, but one question remains. Who pulls the plug if things go wrong? News 6. Have you ever seen a drone that can lift 250 kilograms? This is how it looks. Huge, like a helicopter, but without a cockpit, without a pilot, just propellers and remote control. For the first time in history, the Israeli startup AIR conducted night tests of such an eVTOL drone. After sunset, he took off from a remote site, delivered the cargo, and landed in total darkness. Without a runway, air traffic controllers, or even a team of technicians familiar with the device, everything follows simple instructions. This is more than a test. This is an application for 24/7, round-the-clock autonomous logistics, and no one in the world has done this yet. News 7. The first ever boxing tournament between humanoid robots was held in China. This event became part of the International World Robot Competition Championship and went down in history as the first official case when humanoid machines came together in martial arts, just like in the movie Living Steel. In the ring in Hangzhou, robots from Unitary Robotics fought according to the rules of Muay Thai. Punches, knees, knocks down. Inside there are cameras, Lidar, and combat algorithms. They were controlled by engineers through gamepads and voice commands. The loser was the one who did not get up in 8 seconds. So far, everything is slow and awkward, but the main thing has already happened. The cars started fighting like humans. I think that as soon as the bookmakers' money flows in this direction, such fights will become incredibly popular. News 8. At Google I/O, Waymo Vice President Dmitry Dolgov showed a video where the 5th-generation Jaguar I-Pace robot taxi recognizes pedestrians before they are noticed by cameras. In the video, LiDAR and radar sensors see a person through a dust storm in Phoenix and behind a bus in San Francisco. The car slows down and stops even before the person appears in the frame. Engineers call it a superhuman feeling. 5 LiDARs, 6 radars, and 29 cameras work as a single system, giving the machine plenty of time to make decisions. The video clearly illustrates the conflict of philosophies. Waymo relies on the sensor zoo, and Tesla stubbornly promotes cameras plus AI. If you have already used the services of an unmanned taxi, then share your feelings in the comments and write in which country it was.
There is nobody driving this thing!
News 9. one text query, and you'll see a video clip with sound, voices, music, and synchronized speech. This is Google's Veo 3, the first model that generates video and a full audio track at once without editing. Google I/O showed a dialogue of cupcakes, a stand-up joke, and a video about Pythagoras. Everything was created in a couple of phrases. The algorithm itself voices the characters, adds background noise, and synchronizes speech with lip movement. A video about a kangaroo that was not allowed on a plane was posted online, and many thought it was for real. Currently available only in the USA in the Gemini Ultra package for $249. And with it, Google showed Flow, a simplified AI editor for creators and social networks. There are videos of up to 8 seconds, a user-friendly interface, ready-made scenes, and camera movements. Flow is for short formats and instant ideas, and Veo is for those who make their own, say, movies. News 10. The Google I/O 2025 conference was held this week. Google has introduced dozens of AI innovations. Here's the most important and interesting stuff, all in 30 seconds. Veo 3 makes video and audio in one click. Project Mariner, the AI itself books tickets and makes purchases. Gemini Ultra, a $249 subscription with access to Veo, Flow, and a new deep think mode that allows AI to think deeper before responding. Imagen 4, image generator with detailed water droplets and fur. Gemini Live, voice chat with AI in real-time plus cameras, screen and integration with maps and calendar. Flow, editor of short AI videos for social networks. Beam, video calls with 3D presence effect. Stitch, generation of UI and code based on the description. And dozens of features for Gmail, Docs, Android Studio, Chrome, and even Wear OS. And that's a wrap for today. Like the video, it really helps us. See you next week on Gary AI News.